How to brought up your child. Raising a child is a rewarding but challenging experience. Here are some tips on how to bring up your child. Create a safe and loving environment. Children thrive in an environment where they feel safe, loved, and cared for. Ensure that your child feels secure and supported at home. Set boundaries and rules. Establish clear boundaries and rules that your child can follow. This will help them develop self-discipline and respect for others. Encourage positive behavior. Praise and reward positive behavior, and avoid using negative reinforcement or punishment as the only means of discipline. Be a positive role model. Children learn by example, so be a positive role model and set a good example for your child to follow. Communicate openly. Encourage open communication with your child, and create an environment where they feel comfortable discussing their thoughts and feelings with you. Encourage independence. Encourage your child to develop independence and decision-making skills, but also provide guidance and support when needed. Foster a love of learning. Encourage your child to love learning by exposing them to new experiences, reading with them, and supporting their academic endeavors. Prioritize quality time. Spend quality time with your child, engaging in activities that you both enjoy. This will help you build a strong relationship and bond with your child.